Indian forces personnel have intensified the reign of terror by stepping up their cordon and search operations and house raids to suppress the Kashmiris' ongoing freedom struggle. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said the CASOs and raids are being conducted on a daily basis to terrorize, kill, arrest and torture the Kashmiris. Indian troops don't even suppress the children and women during the dreaded operations, the report said. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has appealed to the United Nations and international human rights organizations including Asia Watch and Amnesty International to put pressure on India to release all Kashmiri political detainees including the Hurriyat leadership stuffed under inhuman conditions in jails of India and the occupied territory. The APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar expressed serious concern over the continued illegal detention of thousands of people including all parties Hurriyat Conference leaders, ulamas, journalists, youth, activists and human rights defenders in the different jails. Indian Home Ministry controlled State Investigation Agency unit of police has submitted a fake charge sheet against 5 youth in Srinagar. The charge sheet in the case was presented under various sections of the Black Law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act registered at the police station against the 5 youth before the Special Designated Court of India's dreaded National Investigation Agency in Srinagar. People staged protests against the BJP RSS collaborator and Apni Party President Altaf Bukhari in Srinagar for hurting their religious sentiments and trying to create sectarian tension in the territory. The protests came after a day a video of Altaf Bukhari targeting the members of Shia community went viral on the social media. The protesters comprising both Shia and Sunni communities gathered in Srinagar calling for punishment of Bukhari for his remarks. National Conference President Dr. Farooq Abdullah has said that his party will continue its battle for the restoration of the democratic and political rights of the people of the territory. The National Conference top leader was addressing a public gathering at Vihel in Shopian. In his address, Farooq Abdullah said that the National Conference was fighting for the honor and dignity of the people through democratic, constitutional and peaceful means.